As a material management perspective, we should know about the basic data 1 and 2, purchasing view, and plan data storage 1 and 2, okay, and accounting data. So these are the basic level views, basic level information data which you should know about when you are working under material management. When you are working in the material management, you should know about these views. Okay, apart from these views, sales sales data which is especially for the SDT. Okay, MRP1 and MRP2, 3, 4, and work scheduling, forecasting data. These are all related to PP, production planning. But sometimes we also should know about that how they are planning, because we also generating the purchase requisitions from planning. Okay, and costing is completely related to CO, financial related. Okay, and accounting data, some fields which is for finance team, and some fields which is necessary to understand from our end as well. Okay, and warehouse management, 1 and 2 is for the WM consultant. Okay, so as a MM consultant, you should know about these views. Okay, especially purchasing view and plan data storage view. You should know all the views. Okay, at least the basic concept of what is that you should know. Okay, and apart from this, we have one more field, one more tab, which is classification. Okay, this is generally using for everyone. The purpose of this classification is nothing but like a characterizing. So for material, how you are characterizing, like if there is different sizes, then how you are defining the different characteristics, and you are defining for this material have the different variants, like different sizes, different colors, like that. Okay, or if it is cable, so how much length, whether which cable wired. Okay, again the cable, different types of cables are there, and again different sizes of cables are there. Mm size is there. If it is pipes, what is the of the pipes. So those characters we will be generally adding into these characteristics, and these characteristics we are using in the classification. So furtherly we are dividing into as a class type for this classification. So we'll discuss this separately. Okay, it is for the classification can be used MM, SD, PP, QM, anyone they can use. Okay, there are so many class types are there. But MM point of view, you should know about these 4 views, especially. Okay, and if you want to do the purchase order creation, or if you want to do the GR, okay, make sure these are all updated. These all views it is updated. Then only you can able to do all these transactions. Clear? Now let's go to that material management MM views, especially MM views in the material master record. Okay, MM01. Okay, material master record, and you can give your material type. Okay, and you can give your what is the industry sector. Okay, so we created yesterday Z series, right? ZF40 or something we have created, right? So finished goods which is related to ZF40 we created, right? And mechanical engineering, so something we can give. Okay, and I'm just selecting only basic data. Okay, and purchasing data, and we am selecting the accounting data and plan data, which is store location related. Okay, so now see here, based on the views only, based on the department what we selected, okay, it will ask that organization level. So what organization levels it will be asked? Plant and the store location. Okay, so now I'm just entering the plant, and I'm entering the store location. I'm just taking the standard one. Okay, and entering that. Now, based on your material number series, number range, Okay, it will give the randomly the material number. It's sequentially it will give the one material number. So the system will create the next number, uh, which we created yesterday 1003. Now it is 1004. Now the material number. Let's try to create one material number like suppose pipe. Okay, pipe 30 into 60 or 3 mm 3 mm pipe. Okay, which is like 1 into 2 is something which is like we are creating the material pipe material we are creating. Okay, now for these pipes, how generally we are measuring that? Maybe the size or length, right? So I can give that here. Let's try to get the length here. Okay, so let's try L. Okay, it's not okay, it's not okay length. Okay, and if see that. Okay, you can define inches also. Okay, how many inches? 30 inches, 40 inches also we can define. Okay, let's say inches. Okay, but my measurement is inches, and it is pipe related, right? Material group. I'm just selecting that any of the material group which is relevant to this one. So let's say cable or okay, if anything pumps are there, pumps we can select motor pumps, pumps maintenance. Okay, electronics related pipes. Okay, so like we can select what is a relevant metal group we can select. Okay, so it is just information purpose we are selecting. Okay, this metal is especially relevant to this group. Okay, so tomorrow if you need any list of all the reports which is we bought pipes. Okay, there are so many pipes are there. I can select the metal group and I can get the report purpose also we can use. Okay, so that all the categories which is under the pipes you will get the report. Okay, let's see if anything pipes are there, or if there is no pipes then we can go to pumps also. That's not a problem. Okay, or we can, if you want we can create also, that's not a problem. Okay, now I think there is no pipeline group. Okay, let's go to pipeline group. This is okay, let's take this one. Okay, and the whole material number is nothing but a now in the SAP this is the material number we are creating, but previously they have the maybe the this material number pipe have the some different whole number in the non-SAP. That means in the real time, maybe they are using in the different naming. So like suppose that whole number is just something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something. It is number. Okay. So my in the real time, how it will be happen in the industries? They are not aware about this material number. They are aware about this whole material numbers. Why? Because they are already working with this whole material number from the long time. So that's why they want to use this whole material number. Okay, and you can enter the external metal group. This is the again reporting purpose, and again division, which division it is related. If you have the pipe division, you have lighting, foods, electronic services, automatic vehicles, chemicals, or cosmetic. Okay, like we have the different divisions here. So now I'm just putting this is the pumps division. Okay, and you can do product hierarchy. Hierarchy is nothing but like a it is a especially for the ST people they are using. Okay, the same product they are dividing that different hierarchy levels. Okay, it is not necessary from our end. It is only the ST team will take care about this product hierarchy. Okay, so this hierarchy of the product, like if it is suppose there is a big material, so like pharma actually is there. Okay, again in the pharma, which kind of the product, okay, which product hierarchy that will. So leave it about that, and the grass weight, net weight, and volume. Okay, sizes, dimensions, wherever it is required. Okay, if it is packing material related, you can enter the material packing related. So wherever it is required, you can enter. And if you want to get if you want to capture some text, okay, you want to write something. This pipe is some chemicals, so please use the gloves, or please before using that, please take care. This is very okay. So I can write some instructions like instructions. So please use gloves, gloves before using this product. So like we just giving the instructions where, so whenever they are using this product, okay, whenever they are trying to receive the goods or something, like they can get this information like from text, okay. And in the basic data too also some of the information which is related to other modules, okay, I said right already. So it is common for the everyone, so some fields which is helpful to the some other modules, like here if you see that material configurable materials, if it is especially for the configurables. So it is not necessary to understand everything, okay. There are so many products, so many we have, okay. Let's go to the purchasing data, which is very important to us. Okay, go to purchasing data. This purchasing data, I said right yesterday, if it is base unit of measure, base unit of measure is nothing but like a, what is that? The least measurement of the product in your warehouse. How you are measuring? Suppose you have set. So whether you measuring like pieces or inches, or it is like set, okay, fan and set, it is like a set, okay. How you are measuring in the your industry. So here what I did, I am measuring this product like inches, so 10 inches of pipe, 40 inches of pipe, okay, 50 inches of pipe. So this is my measurement, right? So if you have that, if you are measuring like pieces, okay, I have already set up the pieces like we have same size, then you can go with the piece. So the base unit of measure is always, it is a least measurement in your warehouse, okay. And now order unit is nothing but like a, when you ordering, this product to the vendor, how you ordering like, so you are ordering like inches, how you are ordering like sizes, different sizes, or if you ordering like a bulk, which is a kg, tons, okay, or it is centimeters, meters, sizes, okay. So those you can order. And this purchasing group is nothing but like a buyer group who will be handling this product, okay. And this material group, anyway you already aware about this material group, okay. And this material plant material status is nothing but like a, if you want to restrict this product for the procurement or something within this plant, then you can restrict here, okay. And when you want to restrict, and you can mention here, and this tax indicator for the taxes related for this product, for this tax, if there is any taxes which is applicable, or 100% taxes and no tax, full tax, half tax, okay. This is for the information. And if anything discounts which is available, okay. And automatic PO, which is nothing but like a, once you created the purchase requisition, set up all the purchase requisition, whether the system should generate the automatic PO or you will create the manual PO. So there is two cases, like we can create PO. One is automatic PO, one is manual PO. So if should be, if you want to create the automatic PO, then you have to select here. Okay. So going forward, you will get this all information when we are doing process, when you are doing, you will get this all the information. Okay. And this batch management is nothing but like a, for whether you, this material you want to segregate in the batches. Okay. So like sometimes I have boxes, okay. I don't want to maintain any batch number for the boxes, but sometimes if it is a medicals, pharma or something, okay, today if I generated the 10 pieces of product, so I should enter the manufacturing date, I should enter the batch number, okay. Based on this batch number only, I can identify tomorrow, okay, this batch number which we generated in the Hyderabad, and this is the manufacturer on the 13th. So all this information. So whether you need to maintain the stock in the batch level or not. Okay, that is a selection of batch management. And coming to purchasing value key. Okay, for purchasing value key, Do you want to maintain any instructions, shipping instructions? Okay, shipping instructions is nothing but like a when you are receiving goods from the vendor. Okay, do you want to mention any special shipping instructions like okay, if you getting some glass items, okay, for these glass items, how you want to pack? So you are giving some instructions to the vendor. Please wrap something with uh, which is like non washable something which is like wraps we will be have, right? So those we are giving some instructions, so whether we should give instructions or not. Okay, and reminders when you want to send the reminders to the vendor, if suppose he is not acknowledged, he is not confirmed, then when you want to send the reminder mails, if it is delayed, when you want to go send the expedited. Okay, so like first reminder, second reminder, third reminder, and again tolerances. Tolerances is nothing but like if you order 10 pieces, but vendor is sending that 15 pieces, 20 pieces, whether you want to accept or not, the excess quantity, shortage quantity. So that will be come under the tolerance. If it is under tolerance, then if you get the stock less than stock, okay, if you order 10 pieces, then you get only one piece, two pieces, whether you should allow or not. And again, over tolerances. If you order 10 pieces, if you get 100 pieces, whether you should allow or not. And again, this unlimited over delivery. Unlimited over delivery is nothing but like whether this material you are accepting from the vendor if he is sending more than the stock, unlimited stock. Okay, acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is nothing but like once you create a purchase order, you are expecting some acknowledgement from the vendor. So all together we are doing in the configuration level. Okay, this configuration is we call as purchasing value key. Okay, in interview point of view, if somebody they are asking about what is a purchasing value key, and by using this purchasing value key, we are controlling the okay, we are controlling the whether shipping instruction is required or not, whether reminders we need to send or not, tolerances, unlimited delivery tolerance, acknowledgement required or not. So those everything we can talking about here. Okay, so we can define your own purchasing values keys from the configuration. So each and every field have the one configuration, not for text. Okay, it is only for field which is capturing F4. So any doubts still here?
No, no.
Okay. Okay, this is a we are talking about the fields, right? So I'm just going a little bit fast. Why? Because we have so many fields we have to capture. Okay, I cannot stay in a MetalMaster only for a long time. Okay, so you can click on every field. You can click on F1 and you can read the concept of field. Okay, whenever there is a scenario which we are running, I can explain that. Okay, where it exactly it is capturing, how it is controlling. Okay, we'll discuss about that again.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
So these are this purchasing value key you understand, right? So based on the purchasing value key, the system will whether the acknowledgement is required, the system will give message to the vendor. Okay, for this PO we are expecting that acknowledgement. Please send your acknowledgement. Okay,
Yeah.
again tolerances when you are doing GR, okay, you are receiving more than the what you ordered, then again whether you should accept or not, the system will give the error message like okay, you are not allowing to more than 10%. Then if it is we ordered 100 pieces and we receive 110 pieces, then okay, 10% is okay, but more than that 120 pieces if we received, then the system will restrict that. Okay, till 10% I can accept, but more than 10% I cannot accept. So we are rejecting this order. This year.
Okay.
Okay, we will accept only till on 10 pieces like that. Okay, so the tolerance systems will be captured here. And the reminder mails anyway, you know already. Once you create the pivot till if you not received any confirmation from the vendor, you are sending the reminders to the him. boss, we already sent my PO to you. Please acknowledge, please send me your confirmation when I can get the stock. We just keep on sending the reminders. First reminder, second reminder, third reminder. Okay, it is taking long time. No, sir. Okay. We'll stop this here. Stopping also is very difficult. The server is too slow. Not sure. If we are using high speed internet, also it is getting too slow. Okay, server.
చిన్న అడిగినా అన్నకి సో అదే మార్నింగ్ కొంచెం స్లోలో ఉంటుందా బాగుంటున్నాడు.
మార్నింగ్ స్లోగా ఉంటుందంటే మరి క్లాసెస్ మార్నింగే కదా మాకు పర్పస్ కూడా.
అదే మార్నింగ్ కొంచెం ఫోన్ వస్తుంది, అందరూ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అది
కొన్ని ఆన్లైన్ సర్వర్స్ బాగుంటాయి కానీ కాస్ట్ ఎక్కువ కాదు.
ఆన్లైన్ సర్వర్
ఏమో మార్నింగ్ టైం, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ టైం మళ్ళీ చాలా స్పీడ్ గా వస్తుంది. స్పీడ్ గా
చాలా మంది యూజ్ చేస్తారు కదా. ఇంకే చాలా టైం పడుతుంది. Okay, purchasing data and plan data, general plan data and accounting data.
బేసిక్ 1 బేసిక్ 2 సెలెక్ట్ చేయలేమా? బేసిక్ 1 బేసిక్ 2 సెలెక్ట్ చేయొద్దా?
అర్థం కాలే.
బేసిక్ 1 బేసిక్ 2 అది సెలెక్ట్ చేయలేదన్న.
బేసిక్ డేటా 1 2 చేసావు ఆల్రెడీ. ముందు చెప్పాక ఆల్రెడీ. నేను జస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి, జస్ట్ ఏ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి ఏంటని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి. Okay, so come to here. Okay, so the purchasing value key I selected here 1. Okay, that means in the configuration level how it is defined, like for purchasing value key 1 we define like reminder 1 10 20 30 reminder and tolerances. Okay, and there is no unlimited here. Okay, that means what it will be happen here. Okay, you are sending once you create the purchase order, first reminders you are sending 10 days, and second reminder you are sending 20 days, and third reminder you are sending 30 days, after 30 days. Okay, and here if you see that there is no shipping instruction, they are not defined here, but if there is a shipping instructions, it is there. You can define also that shipping instructions here. Okay, so we'll try to go again, but if it is again it is slow, then we may need to go in the different way. We can go to SPRO also, because I'm just going into the inside, right, configuration level. I just want to show you the configuration to you, so that's why I'm just going to here. Okay, SPRO F5 and material management. material management and purchasing. Okay, and purchasing, let's see in the Metal Master card if you can find the purchasing value key, and here this purchasing value key here. Okay, so this purchasing value key here, we are creating purchasing value key for you can define that your own shipping instructions, you can define your own. Okay, so select the line and click on the details. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, uh, what is the shipping instructions which is assigned. Okay, what is the first reminder, second reminder, third reminder, acknowledgement required or not, tolerances, how much, what is the percentage you are accepting, and again shipping instructions. Okay, so if you want to define a shipping instruction in the top, you can define the shipping instructions here. In the shipping instructions, again, you can mention that, okay, this is the shipping instruction for the, you should use some gloves or something like, you can define the shipping instructions. So, you know that shipping instructions is nothing but like when they are shipping the goods to us, what are the instructions they have to follow. Some goods, very delicate goods are there. So you just come with these goods with packing, proper packing and proper box and everything. So you should mention these all in the shipping instructions. Okay, so I can put here. So I have created shipping instruction 1 and 2, and I can put it here. Okay, text here. You can mention that. Okay, instruction compare with non-complete or something which we have to mention here. Okay, you can write the text here. What is the text here and shipping instructions, everything. Okay, handle with care. Suppose let's say handle with care. So this is one shipping instruction. Okay, clear? Now, now I just stop this one. So now again it is coming to here only. Okay, now I'm just stopping this one. Anyway, I just created a shipping instructions. Right? Okay, now go to next one. So purchasing data and general plan data, storage 1 and storage 2 and accounting data. Okay, and entering that plant and store location. Okay, if you want to create a purchase orders, purchase requisition, anything, so these are the mandatory. Okay, accounting data and plan data, purchasing data, these are the mandatory. Okay, at least you have to you have to define your views. Okay, and GI processing time for this material. Once you create the PO, okay, once they confirmed, so how much time it will be take to process this GR? Once you receive the goods, okay, how much time it will be take to process the goods received? Okay, and the post inspection, whether these products are necessary to send to inspection, quality inspection. Okay, some products which is necessary, right? Quality inspection, whether it is damaged, whether it is spoiled, whether it is old stock, expiry dates, all these things we need to check, right? Some quality parameters have to match, and ISO marks they have to check again. So those products we have to select here post inspection stock. Okay, and this critical part is the MFG related. It's different. Okay, it's not necessary for us. And quota arrangement usage is it's a topic, one topic which is quota arrangement. Okay, nowadays no one using this quota arrangement. Okay, we'll talk about this separately. And the source list, whether this material you have to maintain the sources. Sources is nothing but like a source list is nothing but like a list of the vendors. Okay, so how many vendors we have for this material? So do you want to maintain this list completely before creating the purchase order? Whether it is mandatory, then you have to select here. Okay. So, and other things which is like manufacturing part profile and this manufacturing part number, these are completely different. For the manufacturing MPN number, there is a separate concept which is not relevant to us. Okay, MPN profile, that is a different concept. Okay, so our basic level we should learn about the source list and quality inspection, GR processing time, and purchasing value key and purchasing group. Okay, why? Because each and every industry they are using different fields. Okay, if it is a cable industry, they are using their own industry their fields. Okay, these are some common, but apart from this, if it is MPN number, manufacturing products which is there, for that again manufacturing product number will be there, MPN number profile is there, that again they will create. Okay, now let's go to the plant data storage one. Okay, again here unit of issue. So while when you are issuing this product from your location, how you are issuing? So you are issuing with boxes, sets. One set is equal to how many pieces? Okay, again one box is equal to how many pieces? Okay, one bag is equal to how many pieces? So you can define. So in the order level, in the purchasing level, what you selected is different, and here it is different. This is the unit of issue. Unit of issue is nothing but like when you are issuing the stock to the customer, or when you are issuing to the some other departments from your location, how you are measuring. That is in the purchasing, whatever it is displaying, that is the order unit from vendor side. From vendor side, how they are dispatching. Whether they're dispatching with bags, whether they're dispatching with the set, boxes, cotton boxes, okay, like that. Right?
Yes.
And sorry?
No.
Okay. And this is the storage bin. Okay, fixed storage bin. If you want to maintain any fixed storage bin, always the stock come and sit in the storage bin, then we can define. Okay. If there is no fixed storage bin, then it's not necessary. Okay. Again, it is picking area. Picking area is the where the exactly the location which you are picking the stock, the picking area. Okay, and temperature conditions. If especially for the some products, okay, some products you need to maintain some temperature conditions. Those temperatures we can again you have to mention here. Storage conditions and hazardous materials. So those are all related to some industries. It is not necessary for everyone. Okay, and again it is a CC physical inventory. If you want to do the physical inventory, okay, what type of the category this one? Okay, A category, B category, C category, D category. Okay, so physical inventory, it is related to physical inventory. We'll discuss about this one. This is the cycle count related. Okay, and if you want to generate any number of slips once you receive the stock, okay, how many GR slips you need to receive? Why? Because why you need this number of GR slips? Okay, uh, I receive 100 pieces that I need to inform to the my quality inspection team. I need to inform to the warehouse team. I need to inform to the packing team. I need to inform to the loading team, unloading team. Okay, so like how many GR slips you want to generate, right? And label barcodes, these are completely different when it is necessary. Okay, it is not always they are using. Okay, and storage period, how many days you can keep the stock here. So minimum shelf life and maximum shelf life you can maintain here. This is especially for the manufacturing. Okay, if it is the product is expiring, okay, you should know about the when it is manufacturing also. So in the based on the manufacturing date, it will be calculated that okay the total shelf life. If suppose today I manufactured one product, this shelf life is 20 days. Then uh, here minimum shelf life is the 20 days. Okay, after 20 days it will be spoiled. So the we just giving the instructions like okay total shelf life and minimum shelf life. Okay, total shelf life is different and minimum remaining shelf life is different. Total shelf life is nothing but like a okay when you manufacture the product from that how many days it will be. Minimum remaining shelf life is not when you receive the goods means again once it is manufactured again it is shifting to your location, from your location maybe it will be take 1 or 2 days, right? So I can put it like a minimum remaining shelf life is like a 180 days and 200 days for the total shelf life. Okay. So like we can define the different shelf life data here you can maintain in the plan data 1. Okay. And coming to plan data 2. Okay. Again here we are talking about serial numbers. So, okay. So we already discussed about batch number, right? That like we have the serial number profile also. Okay. It is especially they are using for the electrical goods, some manufacturing related they are using serial number. What is the purpose of serial number? Anyone knows? Do you know that what the purpose of serial number? This will be helpful for the warranty purpose. Okay, if you bought the laptop, in the back side laptop, you can see batch number and also you can see the serial number. Okay, that means, okay, today I generated 10 pieces. For 10 pieces, I can give each and every one piece have one serial number. Okay, so when I just sell these goods to customer, from that day onwards, okay, I can give 30 days warranty. So how you know that whether when you sold and uh, when this product is goes to this customer based on the serial number. This serial number is allocated to this customer. Okay, this customer is bought this product with this serial number. So tomorrow he is coming with that, boss, my product it is damaged. You said that 3 months warranty is there. So I have to check that now. I have to check the serial number. Okay, this serial number is matching with that product which we are giving in the bill. If the serial number is not matching, boss, this is not your product. This is not warranty product, which is like comparing the serial number. This is the old stock which you are coming. Might be they bought something like earlier also, right? Okay, might be they bought the same laptop 1 year back and they're saying that boss, why it is not working, right? So I can see the serial number based on the serial number when he bought this product and how many days which is remaining warranty is there. Okay, those are everything we can see in the serial number profile level. And this profit center, this material all what is the purchasing, sales, production, all it will go to this profit center. So the profit center they will be they will be calculating on all the calculations where how much the cost and how much the profit, everything, the profit segment, everything it will go to profit center. So this is not our purpose, this is the finance purpose. Okay, clear? So these are the mandatory fields here. Okay, and coming to accounting data, the next one is accounting data. Okay, in accounting data we already had a discussion, right? What we will be entering in the accounting data. In the accounting data we are entering the price of the material, valuation class, whether this price, whether this material is moving average or standard price.
Standard price.
Right. So what is the purpose of the standard and moving average and standard price? What is the price control capturing here? What is the we already had a discussion about this one. What is the difference between the standard price and moving average?
Standard and fixed amount.
Yeah. So whatever the finished goods, whatever the products which we are manufacturing generally, we will take the standard price. Why? Because there is no change on the price. Okay.
Yeah.
When we are buying from the outside for external procurement, we are suggesting to go the moving average price. Why? Because there was some price fluctuations for each and every vendor. Right. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So you should also understand that why standard price we need to use and why we should not use. So understand, right? Your standard price.
Yeah.
You want to go with any example? I can go with that. Can I give the example for the standard price and moving average? Or you understand already?
Yeah, briefly give an example.
Clear?
Yes.
Can I give?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's take the example of the standard price and moving average price. Okay. So I have the product like bulb. Let's take a bulb, 100 watts bulb. Okay. And now what I'm doing, I got the stock 1000 pieces. Okay. Okay, 1000 pieces, which is like price is the standard price which we have maintained, standard price, like 100 rupees. Each bulb is a 100 watts bulb, which is 100 rupees. Okay. Now, okay, let's remove this one first. First, we'll talk about the price. 100 rupees standard price, and material number is bulb, and it's 100 watts. Now I created PO. In case if you are using standard price in the external procurement, what will be happen? PO 1. I created 100 pieces. 100 pieces order. Okay, ordered 100 pieces. Then the value is let's say 50 rupees. Suppose let's say it's 50 rupees from this vendor 1. Okay, vendor 1, it is a 50 rupees. Now if I receive a GR course received, so 100 pieces into 50. What is the cost? 5,000 rupees. Okay. Okay. Now, if I maintain the standard price, what will be happen? The stock inventory, it will display the value of the stock. It will. So now, how much the stock I have? I have 100 pieces, right? But because I received 100 pieces only, right? So 100 pieces. So actually, I bought this goods with 5,000 rupees, but my stock value it is displaying 10,000 rupees. My stock value it is displaying 10,000 rupees. Is this correct or wrong? You bought the total value of the inventory you bought 5,000 rupees, but
Yes.
it is showing as 10,000 rupees in your stock value. Why? Because you maintain the standard price 100 rupees. So the stock, whatever it is getting into your location, okay, or it will be captured from the standard price only. Again, tomorrow, if I bought the stock, again I create one more pivot 2, and again 100 pieces. This time the price is 200 rupees from vendor 2. Now when I receive the GR 100 pieces, the GR value is 2,000 rupees. Okay. The 100, okay, okay. 200, sorry, 20,000 rupees. But if you see my stock value and the stock, how much stock I have? How much stock I have?
20,000.
How much?
20.
Stock. I'm talking about stock.
Stock 100 pieces.
Sorry?
200 pieces.
200 pieces. Why? Because in the top I have already 100 pieces and here 100 pieces. Now this is 100 pieces plus, and the second here is 100 pieces. Now totally 200 pieces. Okay. Now the stock value is, what is the stock value?
25,000.
Sorry?
25,000.
Stock value is, okay, 200 into 100.
300.
20,000 rupees only. My stock value is 20,000 only. My system it is displaying 20,000 only. Why it is displaying 20,000? My stock value, if you see that, okay, I bought here 5,000 rupees and here 20,000. I spent 25,000 rupees stock, but it is showing 20,000 in my stock. Why? Why? Because I have maintained standard price here. So whatever the stock you are getting, the system will always capture the 100 rupees. Even it's 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, whatever may be, it will allow only 100 rupees.
Okay.
So sometimes it is a loss, sometimes it is a profit. Okay? So we cannot to justify that what is the price value here, okay? Because you are maintaining the standard price. So because of that only we are not maintaining standard price for the whatever we are receiving from the outside. Why? Because it depends on the each and every vendor, the prices will be different. In case the same case, if I am using moving average price, moving average price. So moving average price, what is the purpose of moving average price? The system adjusting the price when you receiving the goods. Now I receive the stock 100 pieces here, the same case, and 100 pieces with 50 rupees. Now 5,000 rupees. My stock value, inventory value is, it's not 10,000, it is 5,000 only. Why? Because averaging, moving average means it is adjusting that based on your stock. Again, PO2, 100 pieces with 200. Okay, now 20,000 rupees. Now the value is stock value, stock you have 200 pieces. Okay, but the stock value it will be displayed like, okay, above 5,000 rupees plus below 20,000 rupees. Okay, it's equal to 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees divided by the stock you have. That means I'm talking about the stock value is the per piece I'm talking about. Don't confuse. Okay, per piece how much is the price? Okay, per piece the price will be depends on that. Okay, if it is 0 remaining. Okay, 25 250 by 250 by 2, and that means 125 rupees. So my average value of this product is 125 rupees. The earlier case, whether it is up or down, the price is 100 rupees only, constant, the standard price. But the moving average price, it will be different for the each and every GR, and it will be adjust the current stock value and getting the stock value, okay, by dividing by total stock. So it is like a total stock value by total stock. Always the calculation is nothing but like a total stock value divided by total stock. Okay. So here the total stock value is the first PO 5,000 rupees plus second PO 20,000 rupees. Right? This is will capturing into the one box here. And by total stock, how much the stock? Total stock. The first year which we received 100 pieces. The second year we are received 100 pieces. That means 25,000 to buy 200. That means 125 rupees. 125 rupees divided by a piece. One piece value is equal to 125 rupees. It is not constant. It will tomorrow if you're getting the next GR. Okay, again the price will be changed. The moving average price will be changed. The averagely it is might be 125, 110, 100, depends on the GR. Okay, so that's why we are using moving average price for the external procurement and in-house production. For in-house production, always we are using standard price. Why? Because we are manufacturing this product. We already know about that how much we are spending amount on raw materials, how much spending on the packing materials, labor cost, packing charges, all we know everything. That's why we are finally we are putting some profit and we are fixing the price. Clear?
Clear.
So that is the reason we are using standard price or moving average price. Okay, for internal in-house production, whatever we are manufacturing product, that we are using standard price. Whatever we are buying from the outside, those we are using moving average. Okay, so that is the price control. And the second one is valuation class. Valuation class we are talking about for the GL account purpose. We will talk this in the automatic account determination concept. That very big topic. We will discuss separately. Okay. And these are the important fields MM point of view. Okay, any questions as of now?
No.
Okay.